satisfaction for the way you took the idea that I had of everything that I wanted to have and made me see there was something missing. Oh yeah. For the ending of my first weekend. Oh yeah. And for the rare and unexpected friend. For the way you're something that I never choose, but at the same time something I don't wanna